Hi, my name's Tony Thorpe and I'm Emeritus Professor of Construction IT at Loughborough University in the UK. And it's going to be my pleasure to present the opening address to the EC3 Summer School in Porto in the summer this year. I'm looking forward to it. I'm still working on my presentation. At the moment, the tentative title is Walking Backwards into the Future, Personal Perspective of Construction IT. And in the presentation, I'm going to look back over the last 40 years of construction IT, digital construction, to see what we've done well, what we've done not so well, and perhaps what we can learn from the past to inform the future. And we'll look at some of the new developments, the new exciting developments that are happening at the moment. I look forward to seeing you all in Porto.